Hey everybody, I wanted to get on here and share with you guys a super awesome foot spa I got. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys. What I really like about this is how easy it is to pop up and how easy it is to stow it away. So I wanted to show you guys how well it works and how awesome it is. So you can see here when I first take off the lid, this is everything you were going to see. You can see here it does have these awesome rollers that you can roll your feet on. It does have this nice little pumice scrub here. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to pop open. What you're going to want to do is you were just wanting to push down on one side, flip it over, and then you were just going to pop the other side. And then you can see here, now you have a full foot bath. And then what I like to do, you can see here, it does have this little thing up on the top. That is going to make sure that it does not collapse back down. It is going to stay nice and secure. It also does have a handle, so when you are filling it up with water, it is super easy to carry. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug it in, fill it up with water, and then show you guys what it looks like once I get it turned on. And now I just want to show you guys here, I can go and turn it on, and then once I turn it on, you can see here all of the bubbles are coming on, the red light is on, so I'm going to go and turn the red light off, I can turn the bubble off, and then it does have a timer. You can do it from 10 minutes all the way up to an hour, so I am going to go and set the timer, and then it also can go from 95 degrees all the way up to 118 degrees, so I'm going to let it sit and warm up, and then once it's all warmed up, I will be back, so I'm going to turn the bubbles on and the light and let it warm up. Okay, so now that I have it at the temperature I want, it seriously feels so good. You can see here I can use the rollers to roll my feet. I also can use the little pumice tool to soften them. I absolutely love this. You can see here close up, it does have the bubbles if you want the bubbles off, if you want them back on, the red light. But if you guys are looking for a super awesome foot spa, I highly recommend this one. Now I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to pull it back down. Now I just want to show you guys how easy it is to put away. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this and put it right back down, and then I'm just going to close this, and then I'm going to push one side in, and then I can go and push the other side in, and then I can just grab the little lid that goes right over the top of it, set it on, and I am all done. I absolutely love this. If you guys are looking for a super awesome foot spa, I highly recommend this one. Definitely go check it out.